The model was, I'm going to get somebody who wants to act. I'm going to give somebody a real shot to be an actor. I'm going to pay him a penny. I'm going to give them a tiny bit of money. I'm going to let them really show their chops. And people are going to get to see these people take a real chance. That's what indie film was about. Indie film was about, let's see some of these actors take a chance. And, so you would get big stars who would be willing to come in and get paid scale for a chance to kind of really, spread their wings, do something that no studio would let them do. Take roles that a studio would never let them take, and do a movie that up until then nobody would really fund because they were so outside the box.